As an artist, you know the importance of taking care of your paintbrushes. After all, they are one of your most important, valuable tools. Cleaning your art supplies properly can make a huge difference in how long they last, and it's essential if you want to produce perfect results with each piece. Unfortunately, many artists overlook paintbrush cleaning as an afterthought or do not bother with it at all. But ignoring this step can cost you both supplies and time. In this video, we'll discuss why a proper paintbrush cleaning technique is crucial for painters of all levels and how to do it properly. The most common mistakes you make when cleaning your brushes. Over-wetting the bristles, which can affect performance. Using soap that is too harsh on the hair. Providing insufficient lubrication when cleaning them in oils. Neglecting to reshape the bristles before they dry. Leaving brushes to soak in water or solvents for an extended period of time. Not cleaning brushes immediately after use. Not washing off all of the paint on the brush, even the hard to reach corners. Not storing dry brushes upright. Mixing oil and acrylic paint with brushes and not palette knives. How to clean water-based paint from brushes. Number 1. Thoroughly wash the brushes with warm water and soap immediately after use to soften dried up paint from your bristles. Number 2. Rinse and repeat as needed until the paint is removed from the brush and its bristles feel soft again. Number 3. Lay the paintbrushes flat and leave them to dry before storing them upright. How to clean oil-based paint off from brushes. Number 1. Start by pouring a small amount of solvent into a container. Then dip the paintbrush in the paint solvent, and thoroughly work the solvent into the brush until the paint starts to dissolve and lift off the bristles. Number 2. Finally use a paper towel or clean cloth to remove any excess moisture from the brush and reshape the bristles if necessary. How to clean acrylic-based paint from brushes. Number 1. Start by blotting off any excess paint on your brush with a cloth or paper towel. Number 2. Wash each paintbrush using warm water, removing as much paint as possible. Repeat steps 1 and 2 as needed. Number 3. Lather your paintbrush in the tub with the artist brush cleaner or soap, then blot off excess soap residue. Number 4. Rinse the paintbrushes in a tub of clean water, then reshape your brush tips, ensuring that the bristles are carefully worked back into shape before leaving them flat on a surface to dry. More tips and tricks for cleaning and storing your brushes. Shake off any excess moisture before hanging or lying flat to dry overnight. This will help preserve their shape and condition over time. You can use regular soaps or even selected dishwashing soaps, but brush cleaners and artist soaps are specially formulated to keep your brushes clean and moisturized. Always work in a well-ventilated area when working with paint thinners and any solvent. You can use your palette knives to help you remove any stubborn dried paint from your brushes. Brushes should be stored away from direct sunlight and kept in a plastic container to prevent dust from accumulating. Don't store them in areas where moisture could build up. We really hope this video has been helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon.